Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today we're doing our Boxycharm unboxing. This is a pretty big box. I've gotten some fairly small boxes from Boxy, but this is a pretty big boy here. I don't remember if I actually did a choice this month. I don't feel like I remembered to check the email, but we're gonna find out because I have no idea what's in here. I also said that I might start trying on stuff in the actual video, which is why my face is all naked, because I don't know what's in here, but I have a ton of brushes, specifically, so whatever it may be, we're going to give it a try. So let's go ahead and get right into it. On top it says Boxycharm Breaking the Ice. I don't really want to look at the back. Save that for the end. But that's the, okay. I thought I really wanted the Ace Butte palette, but I got the Canary Diamond Too Faced Diamond Lights. I know this is almost sacrilege to like makeup, but I'm not the biggest Too Faced fan. I don't know how well that's reading. I mean, it's pretty, but I don't know when I would ever use a gold highlighter and that much of a gold highlighter. Like that's a big boy. And it's very, very glittery. I know my swatches don't read fantastically. I need a new camera. But that's a work in progress. I'm going to slowly but surely upgrade things. What I did get that I really wanted was the Skin&Co Truffle Therapy Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Face Gommage. I don't know what a gommage is, but or what that means. But I really wanted this. I have been looking for a really good exfoliator that would be, you know, really gentle. Oh, guys, it's got sweet almond in it. Well, that was nice. I was so excited about that. Guess not. And then I have the Avant 8-Hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask with shea butter, rice bran, panthenol, polydecine, Age Radiance. And I'm supposed to, it also has sweet almond in it. Guys, this month's box is not looking like the best one for me. Okay, here we have the Dr. Brandt 24/7 Retinol Eye Cream with Ruby Crystal Complex. Guys, I can use this. I had a naked face specifically so I could do this for y'all and make this like the most awesome ever video. I was gonna try on the Ace Butte eyeshadow palette and everything else, and this did not work out exactly the way I planned it. So, and then for our last item we have Manna Kadar Beauty Simplified in the color Hope. Say Lip Whip. So guess what we're gonna do, guys? We're gonna try this sucker on my lips right now, because we are going to salvage this as best we can, because in a Boxycharm of 5 items, the 2 that I was the most excited about, I cannot use. Now, it would be just my luck that this would also have almond in it, but you know, lippies don't have ingredients in them. We're going to read the card real quick because maybe it says if it has almonds in it. The Too Faced highlighter is the Diamond Light highlighter. It's worth $36. The Dr. Brandt Skincare Retinol Eye Cream is $55. It's supposed to be gentle, light reflecting, and age fighting eye cream, but it's supposed to be potent. It has a retinol and ruby crystal complex that gives your eyes the attention they deserve. I do need an eye cream, so hopefully that will be good. Yeah, the Skin&Co says right on it, it's got sweet almond in it. It is worth $28. The Avant Skincare, that also has sweet almond in it, is worth $107. Crying out loud. I bet if I wasn't allergic to it, that sucker would work really, really well. And then the Manicadar Beauty Lip Whip. Matte color that is whipped to perfection, easy to apply, and formulated with long-lasting pigments that don't dry out your lips, is worth $21. So, what I can use from it is, what, 76 plus 36, $114 worth of product. Considering the price of the box, I mean, that's absolutely not bad. I'm still really, really disappointed about the exfoliator though. I really was like so excited to see that. I really wanted to use that exfoliator. But I will be finding both of them a good home anyway. This is clearly going to be a short video because the only thing I have to try on, that is such a thick bottle. And then the wand is like so tiny. So, I don't know. It's really pretty though. That is a really pretty color. They're like, the theme this month is breaking ice, but really it's almonds. That is a really pretty color. It's kind of drying down already. I can feel it drying down and kind of, it's at that sticky stage that the long-lasting lipsticks have when they first start to dry down. Not my favorite thing in the world. But it is drying down really quick. And it didn't transfer. So, I'm not mad at that. I mean, if we're going to silver lining this, let's silver lining this. That's not bad. It's not budging. Let's stay in place. And it really is, it's not a color I would ever pick for myself. And it does feel a little drying on my lips. Which it said it's not supposed to be, but most liquid lipsticks are at least a little drying. I even brought in mascara so I could, like, you know, beautify my eyelashes with my beautiful eyeshadow on it. I definitely am not mad at it. I'm definitely going to use the heck out of this. I'm going to use the heck out of this. And I don't know what the heck I'm going to do with this. Like I said, I know that it's criminal in the beauty world to not like Too Faced, but I've just never got a product from them that I've been impressed with. I was super excited to get the Too Faced Peach palette, and I was so happy, I was so ecstatic, and I sat down and I immediately started trying to craft looks, and I just didn't feel like the pigmentation was there for what I would need it to be. For a palette you spend over $50 on. The same thing with so many of their products. They just, I just, honestly, I don't, like I said, I know it's, I am a small little channel, and the last thing I need is to be throwing shade, but I've never had one of their products impress me. Be it a mascara, an eyeshadow, whatever the case may be, I've never had any of their products impress me. And this is gorgeous. Like, look at this packaging. It's absolutely gorgeous. Even the way that it's in like the little like ring box, and you have the little button that doesn't really do anything, and open it, and it's like a diamond in there. It's so pretty. And then you swatch it, and it says Canary Diamond. It's not lying. It's yellow. It's yellow glitter on my hand. It says, "It's your time to shine." I like everything about it but the exact product. I love the box. I love the packaging. I love how it looks inside its packaging. Guys, I just totally stuck my nail in it. How often in a video we're going to start playing a drinking game where you have to have a drink every time I stick my nail in something. I did it with the Jeffree palette. I did it with the Peachy Queen palette. Now I did it with the Too Faced Diamond highlighter. Guys, I'm a mess. But that being said, let me know how you feel about my Boxycharm this month. Would you have been happy to get these items? I mean, this is worth $107. That's fantastic if it was something that I could use. That being said, I would love to hear your thoughts down below. I'd love to hear what you thought about these boxes, these products in this box. Just let me know. Like I said, I'm not too disappointed because these two I'm going to get a lot of love out of, and they exceed the price of the box. I like to try and silver lining it. If my value still exceeds the price of the box, I'm still a happy girl. I always like getting Dr. Brandt products. I am like literally trying to squeeze the last little bit out of the sleep mask they sent. And then I'm going to save it because eventually I want to do an empties video, but I need some empties first. That being said, leave me all your comments down below. Let me know how you would have felt about getting this box. Let me know anything you want to see, anything you want to look forward to on the channel, any recommendations you have. You know, I always love your feedback, and I always try and use your feedback. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. I am trying to get at least a couple more subscribers, because what I really want to do for y'all is I want to do a giveaway. So I might actually save these, not the Too Faced Diamond Light, obviously, because I shoved my nail in it. But I might save these, and then I've got something else already. I really, really, really want to do a giveaway. And I know most people wait until they've got like at least 100 to do a giveaway, but I'm so ecstatic to have those of y'all that are already here. And I want to thank y'all with a giveaway. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know all your thoughts down below, and I will see y'all in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.